Did you know that the food you eat can significantly influence your mental health? It's true. What we put into our bodies doesn't just affect our physical well-being, but our mental and emotional states as well. A diet rich in nutrients can boost your mood, reduce anxiety, and even improve concentration. Now let's talk about meal prep. It's a game changer, really. Picture this: you're saving time, reducing stress, and ensuring a balanced diet all in one go. No more last-minute unhealthy meals. Instead, you have a week's worth of delicious, nutritious meals at your fingertips. And this is just the beginning. Here at Serenity Sprout, we're committed to helping you cultivate wellness from the inside out. If you're enjoying this content and want to learn more, do consider subscribing and liking this video. So, are you ready to change your life with simple, healthy meal prep? Stay tuned and get ready to transform your eating habits. A well-planned meal is the first step towards a healthier mind and body. Imagine walking into your kitchen after a long day, and instead of fretting over what to cook, you have a nutritious meal ready to go. That's the beauty of meal planning. It's like a roadmap to a healthier lifestyle, guiding you towards making better food choices and saving you from those last-minute, unhealthy options. Now let's talk about creating a varied and balanced meal plan. It's like painting a canvas. You want to bring in a variety of colors, textures, and flavors to your meals. This not only makes your meals appealing, but also ensures you get a mix of different nutrients. Include a balance of proteins, carbohydrates, and healthy fats in your meals. Don't forget to add plenty of fruits and vegetables for that extra dose of vitamins and minerals. Next, let's highlight the benefits of planning. When you plan your meals, you reduce the stress of figuring out what to eat each day. It's like having a personal chef who knows exactly what you want and need. Moreover, planning helps you ensure your nutritional needs are met. You can intentionally add ingredients that support your health goals, whether it's losing weight, gaining muscle, or simply maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Planning also saves you time and money. By buying and preparing food in bulk, you can make the most of sales and reduce food waste. Plus, having ready-to-go meals means you'll likely spend less time cooking and more time enjoying your meals and doing the things you love. But remember, planning doesn't have to be perfect. It's about making a commitment to your health and well-being. It's about taking small, manageable steps towards a healthier lifestyle. So don't be too hard on yourself if your plan doesn't work out exactly as intended. The key is to keep trying, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying your food. Remember, a good plan today is better than a perfect plan tomorrow. Now let's dive into the practical side of meal prep. The secret to successful meal prep lies in a systematic approach. Our first step is grocery shopping. Start with a well-thought-out list. Base your list on your meal plan, taking into account your dietary preferences and nutritional needs. Aim for a colorful palette of fresh, whole foods. Think vibrant fruits, leafy greens, lean proteins, and whole grains. Remember, the fresher the ingredients, the more flavorful and nutritious your meals will be. Once you have everything you need, it's time to head into the kitchen. This is where the magic happens. Start by washing and chopping your vegetables. While this can be a time-consuming task, it's a crucial step in meal prep. Having your ingredients ready to go will save you a lot of time during the week. Consider batch cooking grains and proteins. If you cook them all at once, you can use them in different meals throughout the week, saving you time and effort. As for cooking, don't be afraid to experiment with different cooking methods. Roasting, grilling, steaming, or slow cooking can bring out unique flavors and textures in your food. And remember, variety is the spice of life. Don't be afraid to mix it up. Use different herbs, spices, and sauces to keep your meals exciting and flavorful. Now, once you've cooked your meals, it's important to store them properly. Use airtight containers to keep your food fresh and prevent spoilage. Separate your meals into individual portions. This makes it easier to grab a meal on the go and helps with portion control. If you're planning for a whole week, consider freezing some meals to keep them fresh for later in the week. Let's talk about some tips for making meal prep easier and more efficient. First, invest in good quality kitchen tools. A sharp knife, a sturdy cutting board, and a set of reliable pots and pans can make your meal prep experience much smoother. Second, don't forget about time management. Use your time wisely by multitasking. For example, while your chicken is roasting in the oven, you could be chopping vegetables or cooking grains. Lastly, make meal prep a habit. The more you do it, the easier and more enjoyable it becomes. And there you have it, meal prep made simple. But what recipes should you try? Let's find out. Healthy doesn't mean boring. Let's explore some tasty, nutrient-packed meal prep ideas. First up, breakfast, the most important meal of the day. One of our favorite breakfast meal prep ideas is overnight oats. They're simple to make, versatile and packed with fiber. Just mix raw rolled oats with your liquid of choice. Think almond milk, coconut milk, or even Greek yogurt. Add a dash of chia seeds for an extra protein punch and let it all soak overnight. In the morning, top with fresh fruits, nuts, or a drizzle of honey, and you've got yourself a heart-healthy, energy-boosting breakfast. Now, let's move on to lunch. How about a vibrant, crunchy quinoa salad? Quinoa is a complete protein and an excellent source of nutrients. Cook it up and let it cool. Then, mix in a rainbow of chopped veggies, bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, you name it. Top it off with a simple homemade vinaigrette, and you've got a lunch that's as nutritious as it is colourful. And for dinner, let's go with a classic, lean protein with a side of veggies. One easy idea is baked salmon with a side of roasted vegetables. Salmon is a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Season your salmon with your favourite herbs and spices, pop it in the oven, and while it's cooking, you can prep your veggies. Try a mix of sweet potatoes, Brussels sprouts and carrots. Toss them in olive oil, sprinkle with sea salt and roast for a delicious, nutrient-dense dinner. But let's not forget about snacks. They're crucial in keeping your energy levels up throughout the day. A great go-to snack is hummus with veggie sticks. Hummus is packed with protein and fiber, and when paired with veggies, makes for a satisfying, nutrient-rich snack. And finally, hydration. No meal prep is complete without considering your drinks. Infused water is a fun and tasty way to ensure you're staying hydrated. Simply add slices of your favorite fruits or herbs to your water and let it sit for a few hours. The result is a refreshing, flavorful drink that helps you meet your daily water intake goals. These are just a few healthy meal prep ideas to get you started. The beauty of meal prep is that you can customize it to suit your tastes and dietary needs. So, feel free to experiment with different ingredients and flavors. Remember, the key to a healthy mind is a healthy body, and a healthy body begins with healthy food. So, are you ready to embrace the power of meal prep for better mental health? We've journeyed together through the art and science of meal prep, understanding its profound importance in our busy lives. We've discovered how planning ahead not only saves time, but also ensures we nourish our bodies with wholesome foods. We've taken a step-by-step approach, making meal prep an easy and enjoyable process. And we've explored a vibrant array of meal ideas that are as delicious as they are nutritious. By embracing meal prep, you're opening the door to a healthier lifestyle, a lifestyle that can significantly improve your mental well-being. You're taking control, making conscious choices that foster physical health and mental serenity. And that, my friends, is a powerful step towards a more balanced, fulfilling life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness tips. Here's to a healthier, happier you.